Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail verification code not received. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you face this problem, the first thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner. Then you will see this interface. Then you need to make sure you disable Do Not Disturb option. So it can be work option or sleep focus mode, so you need to disable that one options. So after that you need to make sure you enabled your mobile data. Then go to your iPhone settings. Then you need to scroll down and find iMessages. Here it is. Then you need to disable iMessage option for about few seconds and then enable it again. It will reload your iMessage application. So then you need to scroll down and find Send as SMS option. You need to enable it. It is very important. So if this option is disabled, you need to enable it. Then scroll down and then you need to disable filter unknown senders option. So if it is enabled, you need to disable this option. So if you enable this option, so that means that your iPhone will filter all messages from people who are not in your contacts. So after that you need to go back to your Gmail application and then your problem will be fixed. So that's all, and that's how to fix Gmail verification code not received. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.